Hi, I'm John Coyle for AutoNation. Trucks and crossovers might be the hottest segment in the automotive industry, but if you're looking for a machine that will tackle tough weather and carve corners, it's hard to beat an all-wheel drive sedan. So let's take a look at some of our recent favorites. If there's a brand that's synonymous with all-wheel drive, it's Subaru, and the WRX is designed with the enthusiast in mind. Base models start at $27,195 and come with a 268 horsepower turbocharged boxer 4-cylinder and a 6-speed manual transmission. For $36,595, the top-spec WRX STI bumps the power to 310 horsepower and adds a host of other go-fast goodies, like high-performance suspension, Brembo brakes, and a large rear wing. But every WRX is built off the DNA of the company's legendary rally cars. The 2019 Nissan Altima starts at $23,750, and it's all new for this year. Power comes from a 188 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, and all-wheel drive is available as a $1,300 option on any trim, making it the most affordable vehicle here. Even the SL trim, which has loads of luxury features like heated leather seats, a 9-speaker stereo, and LED turn signals, comes in at $31,190. So it offers a lot of bang for the buck. Safety has always been a focus for Volvo, but the S90 proves the company is no one-trick pony, as it's both luxurious and fun to drive. If you're looking for sporty thrills, opt for the T6 Momentum, which starts at $54,350. Along with all-wheel drive, it gets a twin-charged engine good for 316 horsepower and heated leather seats. At $49,850, the T5 Momentum is less expensive, but output drops to 250 horsepower, and the cabin has less frills. The Acura TLX A-Spec lists at $44,800. It combines the company's 290 horsepower V6 engine with its all-wheel drive system, a 9-speed automatic, and a performance-tuned suspension. The included ventilated front seats make the already comfortable cabin a great place to be, and a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking, and road departure warning, are a welcome touch. When it comes to sporty sedans, it's hard to beat the Germans, and the Mercedes S560 is rolling proof of why. With all-wheel drive, the price climbs to a sky-high $104,350, but drivers are treated to a colossally comfortable cabin, a 463 horsepower twin-turbo V8, and driving dynamics which shouldn't be possible in such a large, comfortable vehicle. Simply put, this machine is the complete package, and that's why it's been setting the bar for luxury cars for a generation. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're looking to check out one or more of these all-wheel drive corner carvers, head to autonation.com to find a nearby dealer. So which all-wheel drive sedan do you think is best? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe as we have more videos coming up. I'm John Coyle for AutoNation Drive. Thanks for watching.